Good evening, everyone. Good evening. Yeah. So good evening. Good evening, everyone. Good evening. Right. So this is the first problem what we done yesterday. Yesterday we done this problem. Right. Yesterday we done this problem. Right. We solved this problem yesterday. In the expected questions, it's the question number 1. Question number 1 we done in the expected questions. Right. This is the problem what we done in the yesterday's class. Yesterday's class we done this. Right. So I think right. If anyone having any doubt, you can ask me. So this is the problem number 2, which we done in the last class, right? I'm sure, right? Definitely, whatever questions I'm saying, most probably they will come somehow they will come. It is a problem number 2, which we done in the yesterday's class. So problem number 2, right? Let's go to problem number 3. It's a problem number 3, which we done yesterday. So problem number 3. Right, let's go to problem number 4. So problem number 4, which we done yesterday. Yesterday only we completed this. Let's go to problem number 5. Yeah, this is the problem number 5. Can everyone try this? Can everyone try this? It is a problem number 5. Everyone try. It's a problem number 5. Let's see how many people will give answer. Let's see how many people will give answer. So problem number 5. So here, if you want, you can write terms. If I give input as terms, what will be the output? So if you want, you can give 5 also. Right? So I given, right, actually term, right? Term is equal to 5 assume. Right? So I given terms, right? Terms is equal to 5 assume. Then what is the output of this program? Then what is the output of this program? Can you try this? Everyone try this. Everyone try. So this is the function. This is the function. So this is the main program. This is the main program. Let's try what the output of this. Let's see how many people will give the answer. Let's see how many people will give answer. If I give terms as 5, what will be the output? If I give terms as 5, what will be the output? Let's see how many people will give answer. Terms as 5, if I give, what will be the output? So there are 3 functions called f of n minus 1, f of n minus 2, f of n minus 3. So you can see once. You can see once. So I'm trying now. I will expand here itself. I will expand here itself. I'm expanding here itself. If I give terms as 5, what will be the output? Right? I'm trying now. Everyone can see this. I'm trying now. So f of 5, n value 5 assume. So I given terms as 5. So 5 here. Right? So which internally call 3 people. So it's f4, f3, f2. So larger one expand. You have to expand all 3, but let's expand one person. Anyone you can expand. I'm expanding leftmost one. So it will call, I think, F3, F2, F1. Now again it will expand. So it will goes to F2, F1, F0. So I think it is not a termination. Expand again. It's going to be F1, it's going to be F0, it's going to be F minus 1. Right? So three people. F2 calling F1, F0, F minus 1. So you know very well, as I mentioned yesterday, every program will execute in the post order. Every program will execute in the post order. Post order means after children's only parent will be printed. See, so he will be done after children's only over. He will be done after children's over. He will be done after children's over. He will be done after children's. So you will be here. You will be here, right? Now see this one. So terms as 5 I given, right? So for I in the range of 5, printf f of I, f of I. First time what is f of I will return? Let's see. Let's see one time. So I value initially 0. You know very well range 5 means 0 to 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Range 5 means 0 to 4 because by default starting is 0. 0 to before 5 means 0 to 4. I value initially 0. Next one 1. Next one 2. Next one 3. Next one 4. Next one 5. Interesting thing is there is no requirement of F5 because you don't call F5, right? I think it is not required. One level is not required. This is not required because we don't call anyhow F5, right? So we will call 0 to 4. 0 to 4 we will call. So let's see one by one now. Everything is ready. Everything is ready. Let's see the output. So F1, what is the F1 value? What is the F1 value? I think n value less than or equal to 1, return 7. Return 7. It is a 7. What is the F0? That is also 7. Less than or equal to 1. 1 or less than or equal. So it is also 7. 3 7. So I think the 7 3 is 21. Right? I think the F2 is 21. Add both all of them. Add all of them. So F2 becomes 21. So F1 becomes 7, F0 also 7, 21 plus 14, 35. 14, right? I think 35. This will become 35. Right? So what is the F2? Already 21. What is the F1? 7. So 35, 21, 7. 21 is 28. 28 plus 35, I think 63. It is a 63. So if you observe clearly, first time, printf, right? Printf, f of 0, f of 0, f of 0 is 7. First time 7 printed. Next one, I value 1, f of 1, that is also 7. Next one, I value 2, f of 2, 21. I value 3, f of 3, so 35. I value 4, f of 4, 63. Suppose if you go to the I value 5 also, f of 5. So you have to add once again 3 more people. But anyhow, it will execute from 0 to 4, not 0 to 5, not 1 to 5, right? For I in the range of 5. When you say range of 5 means by default it will start from 0, right? It will go before 5, 0 to 4. So I think 0 to 4 means 5. 5 values will be printed. Those are these values. 5 values will be printed. Those are these values. Let me know if anyone having any objection. You can expect this question. You can expect this question in the exam. You can expect this question in the exam. Please let me know if anyone having any doubt. Sir, I have this doubt. You ask me, I will help you. Sir, I have this doubt. You ask me, I will help you. Everyone try. If anyone having small doubt also, please let me know answer for this problem. 7 7 21 35 63. 7 7 21 35 63. That will be the output. That will be the output. If anyone is having small doubt also, Aravind, if you have little doubt also, let me know. Aravind, if you have little doubt also, let me know. Everyone, please let me know. If you have little doubt also, let me know. Can we move to next problem? Yeah, let's move to next problem. Let's move to next problem. Yeah, can you go to the next one? Yeah, what is the output of this program? Let's see. Let's see how many people will print. What is the output of this program? What is the output of this program? Everyone try. What is the output of this program? Everyone try this. What is the output of this program? Yeah, let me execute once. I'm executing this program. Let me execute once. So I think if you observe clearly in this problem, I want to mention one small thing, that the reason I given this problem. Please listen, everyone. Please listen, everyone. So first thing, enter a string. Okay, I enter something. Enter a string. I enter something. Let us assume that the string I entered is A, B, C, D, E. The string which I enter is A, B, C, D, E. Enter a string. The string which I enter is A, B, C, D, E. Okay, I enter. If you want, I will execute. I will add some more things also. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Totally, I think A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Totally 8 characters I enter. Okay. Then some function ISP is called. Some function ISP is called with this string. So it will go there. So here S is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Now if you go inside, printf S of this. Remember everyone. There is 0, it's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 0 to 7. So from this side, this is the numbering. From this side, if you see the numbering, this is -1, this is -2, this is the -3, this is -4, this is the -5, it is the -6, it is the -7, it is the -8. -1, -2, -3, and so on, -8. From the right hand side, -1, -2, -3, and so on. From the left hand side, 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. So try to understand. Now understand. Now everyone try to understand. So if I write here print, if I write here print, s of 0, then only A will be printed. If I print s of -1, then H will be printed. Suppose if you say print s of 0 and 5, then what will happen is 0 to 4 will be printed, except last one. 0 to 4 will be printed. 0 to 4 means A, B, C, D, E. 0 to 4, total 5 characters will be printed. Suppose if I say print s of everyone try to understand. Print s of, if I say something like -1 to -3, if I say -1 to -3, if I say then -1 onwards until -3. So until these will be printed. -1 onwards printed. So HGF will be printed. Right? So you can do whatever way you want. Now understand one time. Print. Everyone, if anyone don't know, please this one. Print S of. Print S of. If you don't write anything, colon you kept. Starting point you didn't mention. Starting point you didn't mention. Right? Print, right? Starting you didn't mention, but you mentioned -1. -1. That means from starting, right, until -1 will be printed. Remember, last one will not be printed. Last one will not be printed. So please try to understand. If I write -1, by default 0, 2 before -1 will be printed. So which will goes to A, B, C, D, E, F, G. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. -1 will be neglected. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Right? Next one. If I say this, printf simply if I say yes, all will be printed. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H will be printed. Right? Next one. If I say print, this is the very important thing. If I say print S of, see this one, double colon if you keep, -1 if you keep. Remember, this is nothing but reverse of the string. This will goes to reverse of the entire string. H, G, F, E, D, C, B, A. Reverse of the entire string will be done. So this will reverse the string. This will print from starting from 0 to before -1. This will, right? This will reverse the entire string. Remember, this will reverse the entire string. Remember, this will print from 0 to before -1. It will print from total string. Now listen. This is the total string. This will print the total string in the reverse order. So they both, right? So this string and this string both are reverse, or both are equal or not, check. Actual string, reverse string both are equal or not, verify. If at all actual and the reverse of the string, if both are equal, it will return 1. Otherwise return 0. Otherwise it will return 0. Right? It returns 1 means original string, reverse string both are equal. It will print yes. Otherwise it will print no. Means this program is directly checking given one is a palindrome or not. Given string is palindrome or not, it is checking. Given string is palindrome or not, it is checking. Given string is a palindrome or not, it is checking. Right? Remember, first line is very important. If anyone is not getting the first line, please careful. This is very important. Only this is important. Remaining things many people knows. This is the reversing the string. This is printing string except last character. This is printing total string. Now, actual string is equal to reverse string or not? Yes. Then return 1. Otherwise, return 0. Right? So, if it is S is printed means palindrome. Not means not palindrome. If anyone says, sir, I have some doubt, please ask me, I will help you. If anyone says, sir, I have some doubt, please ask me, I will help you. Anyone. So in this problem, you have to understand what is the meaning of this. What is the meaning of this one? Double column, printing the string in the reverse order. Right? So I think a column starting nothing there, ending -1, except last person, everyone will be printed. Everyone will be printed except last person. Everyone will be printed from starting. So if you want to print total string, this is the way. If you want to print the string in the reverse order, this is the way. You want to print the string in the reverse order like this. If you want to print total string like this. If you want to print total string from starting except last character like this. You want to print from the last to only 3 character like this. You want to print from 0 to 4, so like this. You want to print from only last character like this. You want to print only 0th character like this. Check once if anyone having any objection. If anyone having any objection, please let me know. This is the program to find out given string is a palindrome or not. This is the program to find out given string is a palindrome or not. This is the program to find out given string is a palindrome or not. Yeah, can you go ahead? Can you go ahead? Anyone having any doubt? Yeah, it is the next problem. It is the next problem. Please go ahead. It is the next problem. What this program is doing, can you check once? What this program is doing, can you check once? Everyone try. Everyone try. What is the output of this program? Let's see how many people will give answer. Just I'm waiting for your answer. What is the answer of this program? Can anyone verify? What this program will do? What this program will do? Can everyone try? What this program will do? Can everyone try? What this program will do? Can everyone try this? Everyone try. Everyone try. Yeah, let me give answer. I'm giving the answer. I'm giving the answer. I'm giving the answer. Let's go ahead. Right? Let's go ahead the answer. So I'm giving, so let's see. So if you observe clearly, it is a bubble sort. If you observe clearly, it is a bubble sort algorithm. It is a bubble sort algorithm. If you observe clearly, it is a bubble sort algorithm. It is a bubble sort algorithm. So if you see clearly, this loop is going on 0 to 5 times. 0 to 5 times, 6 times going on. Every time what happened is one pass will happen. So these elements, if you see, I is equal to 0, j is a range from 0 to n minus I minus 1. I value 0, right? N minus 1, 0 to n minus 1. But remember, n minus 1 means before n minus 1, it will stop. 0 to n minus 2. N minus 1 times this j loop is going on. So what it will happen is every time a of j plus 1 neighbors will be compared. If the left person is bigger, swap it. So 34 here, 64 here. Same thing will continue with the neighbor. So I think 25 here, 64 here. Same thing will continue with the neighbors, right? Problem is there. Problem there, swap there. What is the meaning of problem? Left side bigger one, right side is smaller one, then problem. Swap it. Now compare with the previous one. I think again 22, 64. Next one, compare with the next one. So 11, 60, 64. You know bubble sort very well. Next one, this will goes to 64, 90, no problem. 90, 45 problem is there. 45 here, 90 here. Next one, 90, 26 problem there. 26 here, 90 here. 90, 83 problem is there. 83 here, 90 here. Next one, 90, 11 problem is there. 11 here, 90 will be here. So first pass of the bubble sort is over. Larger element will goes to last place. If you do one more pass, next larger, after 90, next larger is, I think, if you observe clearly, maybe 83 will go to the previous. If you do one more time, 83, 90 over, 83 over, that may be, I think, in my opinion, 64. 64 maybe. Right? So I think 90 over, 83 over, and 64 over. Next one, if you observe, I think it looks like 45. 45. Next pass, 45. Yeah, next pass, if you observe, 34 maybe. Remember 6 rounds. Next pass, if you see 34 also over, I think next one, 26 maybe. 26 maybe. Please verify properly. So first pass, first larger will goes to last place. Next pass, next larger will goes to next last. The output of this program is, right, finding 6 largest element. Finding 6 largest elements. Are moving 6 larger element to the last place. First larger, first last. Second larger, second last. Third larger, third last, and so on. Sixth larger, sixth last. It will make it. So the purpose of this program is, it is almost like bubble sort. In the place of 6, if I write n, in the place of 6, if I write n element, it will keep in the proper order. N elements, it will keep in the proper order. It's almost like a bubble sort. Some people are asking, sir, what is the meaning of bubble sort? It is one of the sorting technique. What is the purpose? Comparing neighbors and sorting. Not comparing here and there. Comparing neighbors and sorting. Sir, first pass of bubble sort over, what will happen? Larger element will goes to last place. Sir, next pass over, next larger, next last. Next larger, next last, and so on. How many times? 6 times. So 6 largest element will goes to 6 last places it will go. 6 last places it will go. Yeah, it's a bubble sort algorithm. In the exam, they may ask you. They will ask you at the end of this program, what will happen? Right? Option A, finding 6 smallest elements, finding 6 largest elements, right? Finding any 6 people. Some options they will be given. It is a bubble sort algorithm. It is simply bubble sort, simply for loop. Some people are asking, sir, what is the range function? Range will start from 0 until here. Sir, by default, how much will increase? By default, plus 1 will increase. By default, plus 1 will increase. If something special you have to mention, if you don't mention, by default, plus 1. If you don't mention anything, by default starting from 0. Because if you mentioned 0, there is no problem. Yeah, I think some dog is bite, right? Yeah, let me know what is the output of this program. Try everyone what is the output of this program. Try everyone what is the output of this program. What exactly it is doing. Can you try this? Can you try this? What exactly it is doing? Can everyone try this? What this program will do? So if you observe clearly what this program will do is, it will take two strings, right? See this one, it will take two strings, something. I return string 1 to string 1 to. I give in the same string. It will take two strings, okay? So, right, you call the function GATE S1 and S2. It will take two strings, it will call, right, you call the function S, right, GATE S1, S2. Now what it will do is sort the first string, sort the second string also, verify they both are same or not. After sorting, if both are same, return 1, otherwise return 0. So suppose assume you return 1, right? So it will print yes, otherwise it will print no. Suppose it is printing yes, means that means after sorting, after sorting, both the strings are same, both strings same. After sorting, both strings same, that means they both are anagram to each other. Anagram means one string is anagram to another string, means one string, if you do the some permutations in the given string, if you do some permutations, it is equal to some other string, then I can say those two are anagram to each other. After sorting, both the strings are same, then I can say those two are anagrams to each other. After sorting, both the strings are same, then I can say those two are anagram to each other. Right? Try to understand. After sorting, two strings are same, then I can say those two are anagrams to each other. Means some, right, some permutations may be different. A, B, C permutations are C, B, A. You can write in any order. Order changing means permutation. Right? Some elements are missing means combinations. Out of 5 people, only 3 people you take in combination. So 5 people as it is, but you are changing the order. That is called, right, permutations. So one string is permutation of another string. One string is permutation of another string. Then I can say those two strings are anagram to each other. So this program will compute given two strings are anagram to each other or not. Right? So careful everyone. Let's go to next problem. Let's go to next problem. Yeah, can you go ahead? What the answer of this? Try everyone. Thank you so much. Right? I hope everyone got it. Little doubt also there, please let me know. Little doubt also there, please let me know. Yeah, we'll see in the next class with some more problems. Thank you so much.